Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at James Madison Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Mavericks, Maverick Pride. And the acronym for their school, their mantra is Pride, and the R stands for respectful. And that really tied into today's messages for both the students and the parents. The students, we focused on bullying, and the sub-theme being look at the heart first. The parents was cyberbullying and social media. But we know when it comes to seeing someone's heart first that our heart's as big as our fist. And if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. Where one finger's ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person. Hopefully with love, but also two, because in just 2 seconds, right? One breath, one action, one heartbeat, one word. 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, say something so mean it stays in their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we always have this choice to either rise above the hate and show that compassion, or, to choose hate. But hopefully we're going to choose the former, and this world needs a lot more kindness. So that's what I was really trying to instill through the assemblies, the adult session too. This idea that, when we can look at someone's heart first, that's the same way that you see your best friend, right? For their heart before anything else. That so many other things, whether somebody's born different than us, if they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different skin color, whatever it is, we can always choose to accept them, right? By truly seeing them for who they are. And that ties into a concept that I always bring up at every school, every assembly that I do, and that's the fact that we're all true miracles, right? With the lines on our hands, all of us have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but all of us have at least one in each hand. Like the front of my shirt says miracle, upside down W, that stands for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to believe this, because a lot of students I speak to, even parents sometimes, staff members as well, sometimes they don't believe that, or they've never been told that, and we can be that reminder to them, right? By really showing that kindness, it kind of becomes contagious. And when we understand the power of our actions, the impact of our actions, that we have the ability to uplift or tear down, we know that we have to be all in for this planet. Just like Gandhi talked about, the famous peacemaker, he said, be the change you want to see in the world. But the actual quote is, you must be the change you wish to see for this world. So he's not just saying if you want more kindness here at your school, here in Madera, here in California, he's not saying be more kind if you feel like it. He's saying we don't have a choice, right? That we have to be all in for this earth. And that means that we also have to get past some of the pain that we might be facing, right? I always say that the biggest reason bullying happens is that hurt people, but healed people heal people, right? So we always have that choice to step into that healing, and it's not easy, but once we can do that, now all of a sudden, all of our interactions, they're very positive, whether it's face-to-face, whether it's through a video screen, right? Like through social media, virtual or in person, we have this amazing ability, to just have an effect on someone's heart. I asked the question today, I always do, if something touched your heart, raise your hand. Every hand went up, right? And I only have 30-40 minutes with the students, hour with the parents, but that means that if I can touch your heart in under an hour, right? Think about the difference each of us can make throughout an entire school year and beyond if we keep our hearts open to that love. And I always say bullying is something repeated. It's over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, but the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions or words, can still have the same effect on someone. So we have to be so conscious and aware that what we say, what we do, can really resonate with those around us, right? First, be kind to ourselves, but then also show that kindness to others too. But thanks for touching my heart. Beautiful day here at Madison. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.